Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Higgsfield AI Popcorn, a tool that helps you create full AI videos effortlessly. And this is really useful if you want to save time generating high quality video content with AI and make your editing workflow much faster. Also, make sure that you have the full version or plan to access all of its features, though exact options may vary depending on your subscription. And yeah, once you've logged into your account, what you will have to do is you will just have to choose your project type. So it should be somewhere right here if you've already logged in. And then what you will have to do is you could either choose your format or such as vertical or horizontal depending on where you want to post. And then you can just you can choose an image here, you can create an image here, you could create your storyboard, you can create your video, you can edit your image, and you can and for the characters you can face swap, character swap. So honestly, there are a lot of features here that you could actually use, and make sure to explore fully so that you will be able to maximize all of its features. So for example, here on the image section, you can upload your image, or you can create image from scratch, and just by entering your script on the text box or the prompt box, and the Higgsfield will use that to generate visuals or voiceovers and whatsoever. And yeah, that's how you can make use of that. So for the video, basically you will just have to type in your prompt again, describe clearly so that the AI generator would fully generate your description. And yeah, and you'll just have to fill all this out so that you will be able to actually successfully generate your video. And if you want to edit your video, then just go ahead and click video, edit video. If you want to create talking clips, then you can use this as well. So yeah, there are really a lot of options that you could choose from and features. So it's a little overwhelming, but in a good way, because it's like an all-in-one AI platform. So yeah, that's my advice: is you should make the most out of it. You just explore. It really depends on your needs, on how you're gonna utilize this. But yeah, that's basically just how you can use this platform. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.